Building products that don't provide life safety protection may not require testing before use. But if these building products are exposed to weather, they still must be designed to meet wind, snow, and seismic requirements. Let's walk through the process for these decorative Bahama shutters.
Aluminum extrusions are cut and assembled to the required size. Parts are locked together with end screws. The assembled shutter is then sanded to a smooth finish. This performance evaluation can be designed by calculation, taking into account maximum stresses, deflections, and connections.
The aluminum is then sent through a powder coating process to be finished and colored as the customer desires. You gotta admit, this stuff is fun.